Hello guys, I'm a Halloween quiz to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail password in case you have lost your device. You don't have the recovery email and recovery phone, so that you can reset and you can save your data. In a case you are having especially problem that you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone, then what's the alternative approach to recover your Gmail password? We will see live in this tutorials. Unfortunately, this idea has been provided by one viewer who has lost his device. So now he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone so that he can reset. So just we will try to recover this ID via alternative approach. So one thing more also I would like to clear, in a case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID or changed the password hiddenly, then how do you recover without having the recovery email and recovery phones? See here, we are having that we did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really mine. So in a case you are having this kind of the problems, then of course by providing sufficient information to the Google, we can recover this ID easy. How it is possible, we will see live here. See, we don't have a special here password, so we have an opportunity to click on alternative way. Try another way. We don't have a last password, so now here we don't have a phone number because losing of device we cannot get a OTP, so just we will go for I don't have phone. So now see here, it's saying that we have two options. Either we can answer each question on, then it can be recovered, or second thing is that if your account is managed with the family link, so we have sent an email to your parents to change password. So here by both options we quit because this is not possible from my side. So here don't click on a try again, just we will go for come in a Play Store. In the Play Store we have one browser, that is especially Epic Privacy browser with especially virtual private network. So now let's see here. This browser is very useful, of course, to recover especially the particulars Gmail password. Let's see how it will be. It's installing. On the other hand, we have two changes that is a very crucial, guys. So just we will tap on this Google browser firstly, then of course we will tap on it, and here we will click on allow to make it not allow. Then of course we will come in a permission. In permission, of course, we will tap on a location, make it the precise location off, and thereupon of course we will click here allow. Don't allow. So now no longer function as intended of this especially will happens. Now we will back, and here just we will click on a set as a default, pick a enable of the support link, clear 2-3 times here, then we will cut it from here. Second thing also we know that this is also browser that is a product of Chrome, so just we will tap on it and we will do a similar thing, so that make it notification blocks. Then we will come in a permission, guys. In a permission here we will have to make it this, remove the free of space, and thereupon of course we will come in a location. In location here we will click precise location of, then yes, make it especially don't allow anyway. So here is a thing that if you deny this permission, basic feature of your device may no longer the function as intended. For time being I'm doing it, so let's see, don't allow anyway. Now here one thing more, that we can see here how much percentage it has been downloaded. Just we need especially more. Let it complete firstly, then we will proceed further because 40% is remaining here. Let it complete. Total size of this browser is 86 MB, so maybe internet is slow in this area, that's why actually having the problem. So we will have to wait here, guys. Just almost especially see 72% is now we have done. Now 77% is fine. let it be 100%. Then of course we will go for further proceed of this procedure. A little bit having the problem here. Now almost done, guys. 10% is remaining further. So now that we can come on here once again, cut it from here. Almost it has been installed. So here, almost here. If you see, go in there once again. Let me check it out. 98. Let it complete installation. So almost it has been, now it has just started to install. So we will come on here and we will pick some these ones, and of course we will come in app info, and there we will have to now see it has been installed. So we will come in a browser and we will pick some these ones and we will cut it from here. Now we will open especially this Epic browser, and there of course we will go for directly continue and see here directly without any hassle. Of course we will write here Google Help. Let's google.coms there. In google.coms here we can tap here Google Help. So yes, we will write. Let's tap on this Google Help. So now see here it has been opened. Just we will pick the first one, and we have to check it out that which related. It's related to a Gmail, guys. So here of course we will come on here. Now it's a section that especially we will come in how to recover Gmail account or Google accounts. Here we have our options, and that is how to recover this on this browser. We will have to tap. So directly we will come on here. Now here we will have to type once again this ID. Let me @gmail.com friends. Now see guys, this is ID that we will go for tap in next. Now here we have options, try another way, because we don't have a password. So files. Now here we don't have a device files. Now one more security is coming. Now here we'll go for try another way. Now one more security is coming in this number. Yes, QR scanning we don't have. So now here is a more option is coming, so that more tips to recover this account. Yes, this account can be recovered by answering as many questions as we can seconds, where use a device where we have the sign in before, and third is the more tips to recover accounts. Fourth is the your account is managed with the family links. Now the four we will choose yes, we will choose especially here more tips to recover these accounts, but don't click on a try again, so otherwise this account would be especially for freeze. I will be a freeze for time being should be closed. I'm trying to recover accounts, this Google accounts via different browser. Maybe it will be a track, so don't click on here. We will take assistance of Google. So here more tips to recover these feature we will use by going in a setting of this device. So let's tap on a setting. In setting guys, here what we will do, just we will click on especially Google service. This option we will pick. So when we will pick the Google service, then what will happen guys, here we will tap on a help options files. Now we can see here just simply what we will do, right here lost or stolen, right here lost or stolen device files. Now here what we can see here, just we will have to wait here the fix common issues etc. This will comes. Now we will come on here. Now here just we can see this is a trusted and go to account recovery. Just we will click on here. Now see here we came on this ones. Just we will click on just we will have to trusted, and this account is coming. So just we will back a little bit just to check it out here, that here sign in from the trusted device. Yes, use the backup option, get a new carrier and account recover. Just keep on here, account recover. These steps to complete your account recovery we will pick. Now here is no more options. Now we can see here that is creating a replacement of Google accounts. Yes, so now we can come on this recovery page. Now here what we will do, guys, here simply just we will tap this particular ID. Let's see. Now here just simply tap and see. Now see here directly we are. So here don't click on change the password and don't click on especially continue. Just we will have to pick this and change the password directly, and here don't click. So now we have a strong opportunity. Yes, we have the strong opportunity to either create the strong password here, confirms a new password, and we will go for one here. Yes, go in a security, manage your especially email accounts. After that we will go in a security, add their recovery email first, then of course by having the OTP of especially on recovery email, then we can yes remove that is phone number, and don't click on continue, otherwise you would be in a trap. It's verify your option. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. On a live screen that we cannot create, because of course this would be in a public domain. So this is all about further any inquiry, of course, because we will have to deliver this to the viewers. So this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more information, you can raise the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to reply your query. So thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.